Hi everyone, you're all welcome back to today's channel, to my channel. Now we'll be looking at square roots, squares of numbers. Now looking at these ones on the board, if I give you 3 seconds, can you be able to give me the squares of these numbers on the board? Can you? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Have you given me the answer? Okay, today in this lovely video, I'm going to show you a very short trick on how to do this. Now, the only thing you owe me is just to know your squares of numbers from maybe 1 to 9. Squares of your numbers from 1 to 9. Now we have here 1 square, which is what? 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 squared, 16, 5 squared, 25, 6 squared, 36, 7 squared, 49, 8 squared, 64, 9 squared, 81. Let's stop it at this place. Now looking at this number, let's observe one thing from what ends it, right? You find out that 1 in 1 squared, 1 ended it, and in 9 squared is also 1 that ended it, right? These two ends together. Now we have 4 ended in 2 squared, and 4 also ended in what? 8 squared. We're having 4 here and 4 here. The same thing in 3 squared, we have 9, 7 squared, we have 9, 4 squared, we have 6, 6 squared, we have 6. It's only 5 squared that is on its own in what we have on the board. So this is going to be a guide on how to solve this, right? Now let's look at 1225. What is the square root of 1225? First, we look at these two numbers here. If we look at the two numbers here, 25, which one has 5 ending it here? We'll have 5 here, and which is 5 squared. So we'll write 5 here. We'll cross these two 5 and write 5 below it this way. Are you seeing it? Write 5 below. So we'll now go over to 12. We are done with 25. We are going over to 12. Now let's look at the numbers here. Which one is equal to 12 or very close to 12? You find out that 9 is equal to 12. 16 is more than 12. So we are going for 9, which is 3 squared, right? So we'll write what? We'll bring down here, we'll write 3 squared, which is 3. So our answer here is going to be 35. So therefore, the square root of 1225 is 35. Let's move over to number 2. Number 2, we have 1296. We want to find the square root with this simple trick. Now, in our 96, which number here ends in 6? We have 4 ended with 6 and 6 also ended with 6. So we are going to write 4 over 6 here. What does it tell us? That the answer could be 4 or 6. So let's leave that aside. We are not putting it here. We'll go over to 12. Which number is close to 12 here? Is it 9 or 16? 16 is more than 12. 9 is closer, so it's 3 squared. So we'll have 3 here, right? So 3, for us to get the one to use for this, we'll multiply 3 by the next number after 3. 3 times 4, the next number after 3 is 4. So 3 times 4 is what? 12. Now we say that here is 12 and the number we multiply by 3 is also 12. So we look at this, we are going to select the bigger number here. Assuming it was smaller, we would have gone for 4. But since it is bigger, so we are going for 6. So we are going, instead of 4, we are going for 6 here. So we'll now have 6 this way. So our answer for 1296, the square root is 36. Hope it's simple. Let's go over to the last one. We have 1936. And as usual, what ended here is either 4 or 6. So we'll write 4 over 6 here to show you that we either go for 4 or 6 in our final answer, in our final selection. Then 19, what is the number we are going to use for 19? You check which number is close to what? 19. Which number is close to 19? Is it 16 or 25? It's 16. So we're going for 4 squared there. So we bring down here, we'll have 4. 4 times the next number is what? 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 20, will compare our 20 with this 19 here. 20 and 19, which one is bigger? 20 is bigger than the 19. So we are not going to go for 6. We are going to go for 4 because the number we multiplied is bigger than what is here. So what we are going to have now is what? 44. So we'll have 44. Therefore, our answer is the square root of 1936 is 44. Hope you enjoyed the class. Remember, I'm not going to leave you empty-handed. I will still give you the one to solve. So, for answers to 4 and 5, you're going to find the square root of 576 and 2209. For me, I will be in the comments, and remember, you will tell me how you got your answers. Bye-bye.